Okay guys, welcome back to another recipe video of what I'm going to make over for lunch for school today. We are going to have some ramen with some wings. Okay, so this recipe video is going to be very short. I'm just going to make some wings with ramen. It's ramen, I don't care. And I'm going to have some onion. It's gonna be like a stir fry type ramen. I'm not 100% sure yet what it's gonna be, but I just want to show you guys the wings for now, because the wings I put some salt, MSG, garlic powder, and here is the sauce that you see on it is like a pepper sauce that I made the night prior. I could post the recipe if you guys want, but that's a pepper sauce recipe. Pepper sauce, I mix a little bit on here. It's very spicy. So it's gonna be a very spicy wings, like garlic type wings, because I'm gonna put it in the air fryer right now. And after it's cooked, I'm taking it out of the air fryer and putting it in the frying pan. But you know what, one step at a time. Let's cook in the air fryer first. As always, it's my air fryer for 360 because I put on a chicken setting. It's 360 for 25 minutes, but it's not gonna stay all of the 25 minutes because I just wanted to cook internally. That's why it's on 360. The wings currently in the air fryer right now. I do not want to take it out, open it, because it's already cooking. It's been there for about 7 minutes so far. And yeah, I'm just gonna boil the ramen a little bit and then stir fry it. Yes. And that's my pepper sauce that I'm gonna use on it just a tiny bit because it is really spicy, and that's just sweet pepper and sweet onions. And that's what's gonna go in the ramen dish. Yeah, that's it. And I was gonna show you guys, this is why I use toothpick, why my stuff is in the air fryer. I just use a toothpick to poke a hole through each of them because that's what happens. See, so the bloody water can come out. Yeah, so it can cook internally better. And I'm just gonna close that and throw this away. And now the noodles is cooked. You see that? It's still bouncy. It's not falling apart. That's how you want it to be. Not soggy at all. And the noodles are cooked. So first I put the garlic and I like fry it just a little bit, and then I added the onion and the sweet pepper for it to cook just a tad bit, not all the way. And then I put the seasoning, like I don't put salt honestly, and that's what I put on here. And I added in a little bit of this because it is really spicy, and that's pretty much how it kind of turned out. Oh, and also I forgot to mention, when I was boiling the noodles, when the water got hot, I put the seasoning packets in the water and cooked it along with the noodles. So as you can see, it is still stretchy and bouncy. It's not sticking together, and that's how it looks. That's the final product, and here's the wings. The wings is pretty much done as well. I'm just gonna plate them up, and yeah. Anyways, he requested that I add a bit more pepper, so more of this pepper sauce. So I'm adding more pepper sauce. It's just according to his taste, that is. It's good, but it's spicy as well. But now I'm just gonna play that. Stick around to see whether he's gonna finish his lunch after school. You can check out the reel on my page to see the lunch I packed. Okay, so he just came from school, and I'm just gonna show you guys when he finished the lunch. Calm down. Tongue. Nothing. And wow,好香. Smells amazing. And he finished it. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video.